What is up, guys? My name is Tyler, and today we got a special little package from our friends at OBSBOT. Shout out to OBSBOT for hitting me up and sending me this super cool little package. Let's cut it open. Let's see what's inside. Some of you may already know what it is. I don't know. Did I put it in the title or the thumbnail? Maybe. I don't know. But let's cut it open. Let's see. For those of you who don't know, I've been on an unboxing frenzy lately. I also just got back from San Diego Comic-Con, so please ignore my sunburn. I know it's bad, okay? And if you were on the Voodoo Ranger pirate ship at San Diego Comic-Con, hi, you remember me? Because I don't remember you. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. This it's taped. Hold, stand by. Oh wait, this, ladies and gentlemen, take your bubble wrap off. This is the Tiny 2 from OBSBOT. It's a cute little guy. It's a cute little camera. You guys have probably seen cameras like this. It's a little 3D stabilized camera, for lack of a better term. It's a webcam. It does a lot of really cool things. And they sent one over to me to play with. It's 4K. And they really want you to know that. I gotta say, the box, I really like the simple packaging. Good job, OBSBOT. All right, now, there we go. New era of webcam. Dude, the packaging, the presentation is really good. Good job, OBSBOT. Got this nice little, oh, and it comes in a case! Are you kidding? Got a lot of paperwork here. Let's check that out. Love this little sleeve. Very, very Apple-esque here. Very like high quality unboxing experience. I like that. Nothing makes a good first impression than the box it comes in. And using a case to double up as packaging, also a really smart idea. So I like that. A huge manual. Very detailed. Looks like it's obviously in several languages. So I'm not gonna read it because I can't read anyway. But what we are gonna do is we are gonna take the camera out and we're gonna move this beautiful box. I really do like this box. I like nice boxes. Look at that. Sit that right there. It's got a zipper on it, nice. Not bad. Wow, look at that. So you get this really nice USB-C to USB-C cable. Pretty common these days to have a USB-C to USB-C. I'm assuming it's about 6 foot long. Just shy of 6 foot, probably about 5 foot or so. Should be long enough to get to your PC though, theoretically. And then we've got, this feels like a, yeah, this is a USB-C to A dongle. Don't need to open that up just yet. Ooh. Wow. This seems to be, oh, hello. Wow. She articulates. I appreciate that. She moves. That's really cool. Look at that. Pretty intricate. You got like this top plate up here that I'm assuming the camera sits on, and it's like dual pieced. And it like nicely clunks back in there, and then you fold it all the way flat, pretty much. Yeah. Yep. And it sits flush. And this is the part that goes on top of your monitor, I would imagine. It's got a little rubber on the inside there. Not sure what this little space in the back is, but folds flat, fits in the case. Love that in case you do need to take it with you somewhere. And here's the actual camera. Wow, look at that. It's so cool. It's so cute. Look at it. Look at the little guy. Look at him. Right? My cat, she's into it too. Got a peel. Take that off. And there you go. This is the OBSBOT. See, I always say the name wrong. OBSBOT, if you're watching this, am I saying it right? Is it OBSBOT? OBSBOT? Because I kept saying OZBOT, because that's just like, pops in my head. I'm thinking of Spider-Man, Oscorp all of a sudden. Anyway, but yeah, this is the Tiny 2. This is their new 4K little webcam guy. It's got AI tracking. It's 4K, in case that wasn't obvious. Dual native ISO, which if you're a camera nerd like me, that's a big deal. So if you stream or if you are in a dimly lit area, having a dual native ISO is actually really important. Oh, it's got magnets. I'm in love already. Something about tech and magnets, dude, just f***ing sends me to the moon. Seriously. And then look, oh, look at all the articulation. This thing can go anywhere, dude. Any position. Wink. This thing will do any position without complaining. No complaints. Look at this. You could do a top. Look, you could do top down. You can do whatever. You can do anything you want. So let's wrap this up in that case. So again, big thank you to OBSBOT for sending this over. So stay tuned for the review and all that jazz. For now, we're just gonna become best pals, and I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna play with it and figure out what it can do and things of that nature. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, you can find me on all the social media platforms: Twitch, TikTok, Kick, Instagram, Threads, X, Twitter. Well, I don't know what we call it anymore. But yeah, you can find me everywhere. That is XXIV_concept, 24concept. Learn your Roman numerals. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It's like a little guy. Right? Oh my god, isn't that great? Dude, you like cameras? Oh, I love cameras. Right? Oh, dude. See, it's fun to make friends that like the same things as you. Or you just become a psychopath and you just start talking to inanimate objects because you're alone inside. Isn't that right? Oh my god. It's like he gets me.